In order to ensure that every village remittance is duly credited in the treasury, which transacts its cash business through the bank, every treasury concern shall maintain a register in form. Answer D. TR 27. When a large amount of cash is frequently kept in the chest, which type of lock shall be used and who will keep the key of the lock under safe custody? Answer A. Double lock with different pattern and key of the two locks shall be kept in the custody of two different government servant. As far as PWD is concerned, the actual balance in the cash chest of each office should be counted on dash day. Answer A. Last working day of each month. Main store means. Answer C. The bulk of the treasury cash balance. Whenever the double lock strong room is opened, the officers who will present at time of opening are. Answer C. The treasury officer and chief treasurer. Currency chest balance consists partly of notes which are treated as. Answer A. Not in circulation.
The contents of the currency chest are the property of. Answer D. Reserve Bank of India. The authority competent to issue the fitness certificate of a strong room of treasury is. Answer A. An officer not below the rank of an executive engineer PWD. Register of all the padlocks and keys belonging to the district treasury and its sub-treasuries should be maintained in form. Answer A. TR 29. The fitness certificate of strong room issued by the competent authority should be kept in. Answer D. Should be hung up in a conspicuous place inside the strong room. All padlock boxes, locks and keys used for remittance purpose are the property of. Answer C. Reserve Bank of India. Notes of denomination of rupees dash or more are treated as high-value notes. Answer A. 100 rupees or more. If spare padlock is to be kept, permission of dash is to be obtained. Answer C. Director of Treasuries. The denomination slip affixed on the top of each bundle of notes are in form. Answer A. TR 31. When verifying the stamp kept under double lock, the sub-treasury officer, it will be sufficient to verify the cash balance personally to check dash % of the stock in each class of stamp. Answer D. 10%. How many years a currency chest book should be retained? Answer A. 3 complete financial years after it ceases to be in use. The main stock of opium and ganja should be kept in. Answer A. Double lock strong room.
Earnest money deposit made by intending tenderers of the Forest Department should be credited as dash account. Answer C. Revenue deposit. Remittances between two sub-treasuries in the same district or between a treasury and sub-treasury subordinate to it should be treated as. Answer A. Transfers within the treasury. The net difference between the total receipt and the total payment as shown in the bank daily statement should be posted in a daily register called. Answer C. Register of Reserve Bank Deposit. In the case of revenue deposits, each item of deposit received should at once be entered in a register in dash form. Answer C. TA 13.
Form TA2 related with answer A. Register of expenditure.
When a charge is debitable to more than major head of account, the drawer shall ordinarily present dash type of bill for the amount debitable. Answer B. Separate bill is to be prepared. If an order of attachment against a government servant is received before a previous order of attachment against the same government servant has been fully complied with, the recoveries shall be made by the disbursing officer so long as the total amount recoverable with reference to the attachment order is in the tune of. Answer B. Recovery may be limited within the maximum limit as per law. The claim by gazetted government servant for pay and allowances shall be presented on a bill in form. Answer B. TR 46.